ginang at Ginoo kalalapag lamang natin sa Roxas City Airport. Maligayang pagdating dito sa Roxas City. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ng seatbelts. Huwag mo nang tumayo at baka kayo masaktan sa biglaang paghinto ng eroplano. Ang inyong mga gamit sa stowage bins ay maaari lamang kunin kapag ang eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto at nabigyan na kayo ng pahintulot na bumaba. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Roxas City Airport. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Roxas City. The local time now is 34 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning. Today is a Wednesday, August 29, 2012. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Refrain from standing as a sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead stowage bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and you have been given permission to disembark. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution when retrieving your carry-on baggage from the overhead stowage bins. The items may have shifted during the flight and may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. And for passengers who requested for special assistance, please deplane last for proper endorsement by our cabin crew to our ground staff. Passengers who requested for wheelchairs at the point of origin will be given priority among those who need special assistance. Thank you for your cooperation. And on behalf of Captain Nico Garcia with First Officer Roderick Lindog and Captain Marlo Estelier and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Asia's first, shining through. And for your information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions at our website. That's www.philippineairlines.com. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Nagabot na kita diri sa Roxas City Airport. Madamo gid salamat sa inyong tanan sa pagsakay sa Philippine Airlines. Landong gid namon nga magkilitanay pakitaliwat. Madamo gid nga salamat kag maayong aga sa inyong tanan.